look at the visuals of police deployment, as well as from the other side of the barricade, you can see a large number of protesters protesting on the same issue, and you can look at the different banners that have been put by them. We unfortunately, the protesters are on the other side of the barricade, and hence we are unable to speak to them. But as we will try and speak to some of the people regarding this incident as to what they are now demanding.
Well, this is horrible to have this kind of a conundrum for all the students who've prepared for it. You're telling us, Shefali, that there are NSUI students who are already protesting against it. Rahul Gandhi yesterday also said that this is an auction of the future of our youth. This has been one of the biggest problems, isn't it, year on year? Tell us why this has been cancelled. Is it because of a possible paper leak which has happened in Rajasthan? The Rajasthan police are already inquiring and probing into it since yesterday.
Right. As per the reports, we have learned that out of 720 questions, around 600 questions were already there in some guest paper apparently, and has circulated on WhatsApp. This is what are the reports suggesting, that there are around 600 questions that have already been there in that guest paper out of those 720. Oh, there are some movement happening over here. You can see NSUI workers are crossing the barricade, and sloganeering is happening. You can see the visuals over here. They are it seems the angry protesters are sloganeering and are trying to jump the barricade. You can look at these visuals right front, happening right over here outside the Shastri Bhavan. You can see here the protesters showing their barricading. We'll try and speak to some of them.
देखिए, जिस प्रकार नीट के विद्यार्थियों के साथ बीजेपी की सरकार धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी कुठारघात कर रही है, ये कहीं ना कहीं देश में अनैतिक और राजनीतिक माहौल को तो बिगाड़ने का प्रयास कर रही है। उसके खिलाफ आज बड़े भाई विनोद जाखड़ जी के नेतृत्व में एनएसयूआई धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी के आवाज को गिरने का काम कर रही है।
The fire also, it seems like they have effigy burning had took place. You can see the visuals here, the fire. We'll try and speak to the NSUI national president.
बिल्कुल, ये अगर है तो ये छात्रों की जीत है, लेकिन उन लोगों का क्या, उन छात्रों का क्या भविष्य जिन्होंने ईमानदारी से तैयारी की थी, जिनके माँ बाप ने कर्ज लेके, लोन लेके अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाया था।
तो जो पेपर लीक हुआ, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या आपको लगता है इसमें एनटीए के लोग, सरकार के लोग शामिल है? जिस तरह से पेपर लीक
100% शामिल है। जिस तरीके से ये पेपर लीक हुआ है, पहले कुछ लोगों के पास पहुंचा है जिनकी खुद की बड़ी कोचिंगें हैं, जो कहीं ना कहीं भाजपा सरकार से भी जो है चुनाव लड़ चुके हैं, भाजपा पार्टी से भी। अभी राजस्थान में, जयपुर में बड़ा खुलासा हुआ है और ये चल भी रहा है कि उन लोगों के पास ये पेपर पहुंचा है। तो हम लोग ये मांग करते हैं, ये लड़ाई जो है हमारी रुकेगी नहीं, ये लड़ाई जारी रहेगी, और हम यही मांग करते हैं कि एनटीए को बैन किया जाए।
See, they're asking for NTA to get banned, and not just that, they're saying that it looks like that NTA is also responsible somewhere in this paper leak and is asking for accountability and questions. And major demand of these protesters are to ban NTA. This is big coming from here right now.
Well, this is a crisis, seriously, because this is something that had also happened in the year 2024. Subsequently, the matter was referred to the CBI. There was a Supreme Court hearing as well. And unfortunately, that trend has repeated itself this time round as well. What happens to all those students who had already appeared for the examination on the 3rd of May? Well, there's a re-exam that's been ordered. And while, of course, the authorities claim that there'll be a refund of the fees already paid, this is a source of enormous frustration for all the students who've already appeared for the NEET exam, which was held on the 3rd of May. What you see on the right of your screens are protests being undertaken by the NSUI, which is the student wing of the Congress party. You see a strong presence of security personnel there as well. Let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's also reporting on this matter. Kritika, an enormous source of frustration for all those students who appeared for the examination on the 3rd of May. The amount of preparation that goes into preparing for an exam of this nature, one can only imagine how tough it must be now for those very students to be told that the exam that you appeared for on the 3rd of May has absolutely no value. There'll be a resitting that'll take place at a future date. Kritika, what's happening?
Well, absolutely, Siddharth. Remember, what students had raised their concern over was about how there was a 40% overlap. So 140 questions out of 360 had appeared in one of those said leaked papers. This has obviously raised a lot of concerns. We're seeing that the Rajasthan SGO is in fact currently working on understanding how exactly this entire process took place. A big controversy had also erupted in 2024. And currently it seems like lessons have not been learned. Remember, the first response of the National Testing Agency as far as the NEET examinations are concerned was on the lines of how each question paper was transported in a GPS-tracked truck. There were jammers, there were all sorts of security arrangements as far as the exam that was conducted on May 3rd is concerned. But currently, NTA has decided to cancel these examinations. Re-NEET will be conducted. Information of that will be released separately. And more so, this matter is now being referred to the Central Bureau of Investigations. Of course, the government of India is also escalating this matter. But remember, this coming in from the end of NTA, once again, very concerning. There are reports that a lot of this, in fact, malpractices were centered around Sikar in Rajasthan as well. So, of course, these details will need to be examined further by now the Central Investigative Agency as well. As far as the students are concerned, what the NTA has to say for them as far as re-NEET is concerned is that the registration data and the examination centers that were opted for early May, the same will be carried forward. So there'll be no fresh registration, no additional examination.
Sure, Kritika, we'll wait and see as to what the HRD ministry will also obviously have to offer an explanation for this very unfortunate turn of events indeed. Let me go across to Shefali, who's been reporting from the protest site in the national capital as well, where NSUI students have, of course, taken out protests against the cancellation of the exam and, of course, the conduct of the NTA throughout this entire episode as well. Shefali, what's happening around you?
Right, you can see here the protest is getting, protesters are getting angry and they have jumped on the barricading.
मेडिकल का ये भारत का जो मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बर्बाद करने की कवायद है। पेपर लीक जो हुआ है, प्रधानमंत्री कॉम्प्रोमाइज है और ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है, ये हर साल हो रहा है। अभी बिहार में पेपर लीक हुआ, राजस्थान में पेपर हुआ। ये प्रधानमंत्री के जो दौर में हर जगह पेपर लीक हो रहा है। इंडिया का इस तरीके से विश्व गुरु बनाएंगे, पेपर लीक करके विश्व गुरु बनाएंगे।